In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find account type in interactive brokers. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can confirm exactly what kind of account you're using without hunting through menus. I'll walk you through the path on the Interactive Brokers client portal using a desktop browser, since that's where the controls are easiest to see. First, look to the upper right corner of the client portal and click Settings. You'll usually see this as a gear icon, sometimes next to your profile area. If your browser window is a bit narrow, the label might shorten or shift slightly, but it will still be in that top right area. Clicking Settings opens the central place where your preferences and account-specific details live. Next, go to Account Settings. This is the section that houses the key information about your account structure and permissions. It's the right place to verify what you have without jumping into any trading tools. When you open Account Settings, you'll see multiple categories grouped to help you quickly locate what you need. Now, find Account Type under Configuration. Configuration is the area that summarizes the fundamental characteristics of your account. Within that section, look for the line labeled Account Type. That label will show you the designation assigned to your account, such as whether it's set up as an individual account or another supported structure. This is the authoritative spot for confirmation. So what you see here is what Interactive Brokers recognizes for your account profile. If the page is long, take a moment to scan down the configuration section. Depending on your screen size, some details may be below the fold. Keep in mind you don't need to open or change anything to view this. You're just checking the displayed value for account type. A quick note for context. Your account type determines how the account is registered and what kind of ownership structure it has. This is separate from things like your base currency, account number, or trading permissions, which live elsewhere in account settings. If you're reviewing your setup for compliance forms, funding rules, or feature eligibility, verifying the account type. Here is a smart first step. That's all there is to it. Click Settings at the top right, go to Account Settings, and then look for Account Type under Configuration. Use this as your reliable reference anytime you need to confirm your account's designation, and remember not to share any personal or account numbers publicly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you find exactly what you needed quickly and confidently.